Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled at the edge of a vast, enchanting forest, there lived a kind and adventurous girl named Gustava. Little Gustava had a heart as big as the sky and a special gift: she could understand and talk to animals. Every morning, Gustava would wake up with the sun, eager to spend her day with her beloved animal friends. She lived in a quaint cottage with her grandmother, who always encouraged her to explore and care for the creatures of the forest. One bright and sunny morning, Gustava put on her favorite yellow boots and set off on her daily adventure. As she wandered through the forest, she came across a group of animals who seemed to be in a deep discussion. "Good morning, everyone," Gustava called out cheerfully. "What's going on?" The animals turned to her with worried expressions. There was Benny the bear, whose fur was as dark as a moonless night, Ruby the rabbit, who could hop faster than the wind, and Freddy the Fox, who was always full of clever ideas. "Gustava," Benny rumbled, "we need your help. The stream that runs through our forest has dried up, and we can't find any water to drink." "Oh dear," Gustava said, her eyes widening with concern. "Let's find out what's happened to the stream." Gustava and her animal friends followed the dry streambed until they reached a large pile of rocks blocking the water's flow. The stream had been dammed, and without water, the plants and animals were in trouble. "We need to move these rocks," Ruby said, hopping around anxiously. "But they're too heavy for us." Gustava thought for a moment, then smiled. "We can do this together. Let's ask all our friends to help." Benny let out a deep, echoing call, and soon animals from all over the forest arrived to lend a paw, wing, or claw. There were chirping birds, scurrying squirrels, and even a family of beavers with strong, flat tails perfect for moving rocks. With everyone working together, the animals pushed and rolled the rocks away from the stream. Little by little, the water began to flow again, sparkling in the sunlight as it rushed down the streambed. "We did it!" Freddy the Fox exclaimed, his bushy tail wagging with excitement. The animals cheered, and Gustava beamed with pride. "Thank you, everyone. You've shown how powerful we can be when we work together." With the stream restored, the forest quickly returned to its lush, green self. Flowers bloomed, trees flourished, and the animals had plenty of fresh water to drink. To celebrate, Gustava and her animal friends decided to throw a big forest party. They decorated the trees with colorful ribbons and prepared a feast of berries, nuts, and honey. The air was filled with laughter and music as birds sang and animals danced. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Gustava sat by the stream with her friends. She felt grateful for the wonderful day and the amazing friends she had. "Remember," she said softly, "we're all part of this beautiful forest, and together, we can overcome any challenge." And so, little Gustava and her animal friends lived happily, always ready to help each other and care for their magical forest home.